Take a ride in the 2022 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.